So now the next thing I want to do, I wanted to take a quick peek at something I'm realizing is super cool, and it will likely replace a lot of all these game meshes that I put here to simply help with the visualization. And that is the shapes thing, because there is no draw calls on those. And a lot of my frame rates are being hurt, and I don't even have any graphics yet because of all those little hexagons. So I need to go into Window, Package Manager, and I'm going to look for shapes, and there it is. Download shapes, import shapes, import everything. And using shapes is going to be good for like UI, like hexagon UI stuff. And it'll be better for my when I start planning out colors and stuff. It's also going to be really good. Now, where is it? Shapes. Oops. I want to go see the samples. Shapes gallery. Wah! Wah-ha-ha-ha! Look at this. Here are my hexes. Can I not select? Oh yeah, okay. It's just a little laggy there for a moment. Looks like there's multiple shapes on there. So very cool. Colors. There's looks like linear gradient, radial gradient. Wow. Isn't that cool? Local world. Okay. Fill space. Yeah. Color. Isn't that cool? That's going to be perfect. Perfect, perfect. This here, there's a roundness, no roundness. So make it so round it turns into a circle. Wow. A radius. Ooh. That looks amazing. And if is there like a stats? Or maybe no, I'm only in the game screen. That is so cool. Here's another hex right here. Oh, the shapes are right here. Very easily selectable. I wonder if there's a... Oh, yeah, there is an angle. Good. Oh, man, that's so good. So good. It's basically... What is this? That's a rect transform. So this is on a canvas. Is it not on a canvas? This whole thing here. Well, it would be on a canvas, wouldn't it? Beehive. Beehive. I'm a little confused by this. Can I rotate it? Yeah. Is it on a can? What is this? Beans? I don't know how that... What is that? Okay. That's cool. Look at this here. Wow. This is very cool. If I hit play, is there anything going to happen? What's my frame rate? Uber frame rates. Uber. Nothing is complaining here. Wow. That's amazing. So all I need to do, I don't know. This is very cool. What are these? I was gonna say all I need to do is just spawn these instead. What's other samples? What's this color picker? Okay, yeah, just an in-game color picker. If I hit play, eventually it'll decide to start or not. Play. There we go. Cool. So in this case here, this is an example of a 3D like UI element that's in the world. But that is like a UI, interactive UI. What else here? FPS HUD. Yeah, if I hit play. Oh, there's actually a working. Whoop. Oh, isn't that cool? Charging? What is going on here? That's cool. I wonder how they do that. Is it like a mask? As it goes up, color changes. It looks like there's bloom. Not sure. Goes down. That's really neat, eh? But the scripts that are doing that are going to be cool. Procedural tree. Oh. Okay. What are these? Oh, it doesn't do nothing. Oh. So, whoa. What happened? Did it just crash? Whoa. Yeah, I crashed. Darn it. Let's go back in. I think what that is it's a script. Like some sort of Fresnel fractal script that's drawing lines. Where is it now? Shapes. Samples. Let's go back to the procedural tree. And tree here. Line count. Okay. Branches. Ooh. Is it 3D? No, it's 2D space. That is like a length max. Okay, yeah, this is a procedural thingy, but what it's doing is it's use 3D. Holy cannoli, man. That's super cool, you know? I wonder how intense that would be. Yeah, I can't go very high because it crashes. Line thickness. Cool. Still, that's very cool. Shapes. Samples. Procedural T, HUD, color picker, spinning color discs. Oh, yes. Why is that spinning and I'm not even hitting play? Isn't that neat? So there's basically a script and it's doing its thing. Cool. What else? I'm gonna do, what's here? Shapes gallery. Here are all the shapes. Quads, polygons, rectangles, regular polygons. This is what I want. I like this here. I wonder, oh, but how do you draw this? That rounds it. But how do you... Oh, maybe one of these? Because what if I want to do like a funky path like this? Okay, they're points. Thickness. This is general thickness, but I could probably... change, yes, I can change the thickness there. Cool. Edit points in scene. Wow. That's pretty funky. Wow. So I would be able to draw the path that the player is going to go on like this, say. What does tab do? Oh, neat. Oh, that deletes it. Oh, I could add. That's really cool. Holy moly. What does this do? Huh. So I could draw the path like that. Thickness is fine. What is this? Meter, round, bevel, sample. Don't know what this is. Flat 2D billboard. Whoop. What happened? Okay. Shit, that's kind of buggy right there. Okay. Shit. Oh no, I'm in a... polylines. But I kind of screwed up, I think. Maybe not. Oh, I think I screwed up the multicolor one. Yeah, the UI, there's a bug there somewhere. Something happened. Polylines, flat 2D, thickness, color. I mean, I could probably do like a cool... gradient, wouldn't you think? Maybe not. Oh, here. Ooh, I have to do a gradient between each point. Not the whole thing. Ugh, that's gross. That's really gross. Joints are... I can't even read that. Meter. Is it meter? Miter, maybe. I'm not sure what that is, a miter. Transparent. Opaque. Cool. So I could just turn that off. And all those X's are still present for some reason. But that's super awesome. I could probably round those edges maybe. Oh, there's a masking. And there's a, what else is there? Render queue, sorting layer, depth. What happens if it's there and I don't know, create a cube? Where's the cube? 3D, 3D, 3D. Am I blind right now? 2D. I am blind right now. 3D cube. Where is it? So it's oh, something is still rendering. The text is. And if I take this, render queue, I'll just set it to always. Seems like a pretty simple one. Wow. This can be useful. It's going to be very useful. Wow. What is this called? A line, or what is it called? Polyline? A polyline. And what is this called? A regular polygon. I'm going to go into the file. Actually, no, I'm going to go into the scenes. I think it's called game. And what happens if I create an empty and I call it a polygon shape? And on it I put a poly. Holy cannoli. And it's got a transform. This is super. Let me bring it down to 0. Look at that. It's huge. That didn't work very well, that one. I'm going to get out of here. But I'm going to come back here. Set this to 0. Can I rotate it? Oh my god, I can. This is amazing. So this is supposed to be rotated by 90 right now. It's flat on that floor. And if I set it to transparent is cool. Sorting layer. Let's equal. I'm going to do always. Color. I love it. And then if I move it, look, you could see that transparency. You can still see through it. Wow. Now I'm going to do a red so that I could see it real good. And what are the values here? It should be under meter, I think. Wasn't I just looking at something like that earlier? Q. Note, this object is not GPU instanced due to custom depth. Oh, really? Oh, that's bad because I need that. Always is custom? Oh, that's not good. Why is that? So I have to do that? Less than equal. Greater. Not equal. Greater. Always. Disabled. Never. Less. Equal. So less or equal. Less or equal is the one that's instanced. But because we trying to think, I'm not always going to have these things visible, so I will be able to, I'm not sure. Masking. Right. How do I get the roundness and stuff like that? Where's the shape? Space. Ooh. I'll just raise it a bit. This is insane. If I hit play, now, I wanted to see the, ooh, there's a little bit of something going on there. Can I zoom in a bit? But what I'll be able to do is spawn these little things everywhere. I do need to rotate it a teeny bit so that the points are on top. And points are there. Now, what are these values? I thought there was a way to one is did I wait a minute, I might have scaled it like in a way where, yeah, I did. Look at the position of that. This will be 0, 0. Yeah. I scaled it by how much did I scale it? Let me find the shape there. Polygon shape. I scaled it by a heck of a lot. Damn, I have to find that number. Whatever, I think it's 0.27. I think it's 0.27. I'll try 0.27. It's maybe 0.27 something something there. And then I also want to rotate it by 33. No, I can't remember what the value should be. Hey Google, what is the angle on each side of a hexagon?
On the website splashlearn.com, they say, since all angles are equal in a regular hexagon, each angle is 120 and the sum of all the interior angles is 720.
Okay, so it's 30. Right. And then let's make it we have to make it a color because I have to see what it's doing for now. There. Right, and then if I hit play, does that look right? No, it doesn't. It still looks too big. How big did I freaking scale that thing? There? 0.02? 0.2? 0.2. That looks about right. I zoom right in. Not perfect, but it's pretty darn close, isn't it? Okay. I'm just going to copy components, paste component values. Isn't that interesting, eh? Now, what else do I have as options here? I have fill. Can I add another component? A regular polygon? Oh. Well, let's add another empty. 0, 0, 0. Maybe we'll just add a regular polygon, maybe. One of these. One of these. Roundness. Rotation. No. Let's bring it up a smidgen. And it's got to be 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Ooh, pixels. Cool. Let's do 3 pixels. No, that's not what I wanted. What did I have here? 1? Yeah. Border. Oh. Now let's do pixels. No, no, meters. No, and here. We'll do pixels. We'll do 3. Can I even see that? Can I do like 10? Oh yeah. Oh, here's a nice way to see it. No matter where I am, how far, it'll always be 3. Isn't that wild? Gosh, that's wild. Really is cool. Really, really is cool. Right, maybe 15 or something. Well, looking at the other one over here, 5. See, looking here. Dashed. Oh, nice. There's a dashness to it. Dialing. Nice. There's a fill. Doesn't matter how far I am, it's always going to be visible. Huh. Look how cool that looks. That looks so cool. Now the problem I am going to have is when I start having hills and shit. How's that going to work, right? But still. I'll be able to make a cool interface with this for sure, for sure, for sure. A guaranteed. I'm just gonna write here. I'm gonna write. What is this called? A regular polygon. Now, can I do prefabs with this? Like this? And then if I do that, can I go into the game board? I'm looking for the prefab that instantiates everywhere. Board. Hex mesh tile prefab. Regular hex polygon. Let's try this and see what happens. Oh, I probably am missing some of the number stuff. Reload. What? Instance get component tile view. Oh, I don't have a tile view on there. Okay, let's put tile view on there. Ugh, shit, for real. Well, I have an idea. Let me remove this. Go to what was that? What is it called? Hex something? Hex mesh? Hex mesh. Boop. Ew, it scales it. Okay, really gross. Really, really gross. We'll just plop that in there, right? And can that be saved? I think that's pretty good. What does this do? Yeah, do that. Open it. Yeah, and then do the regular, what do you call it? Regular hex polygon. Oop. Okay, so in here that doesn't, that's okay. Oh, it's right there. Okay, now if I go back to scenes, will it contain? It will. I could delete this. And I could delete this, I think. No. I want to do, let's go in here. And let's take the mesh collider. Yeah, let's take that off and mesh renderer off. Okay, and let's do this. This is way up here for some reason. Let's try and playing it and see. Oh wait, I forgot to go into the board and put the hex mesh here. I'll try it. Oh, that's pretty good, eh? That looks pretty tight. Pretty tight, pretty tight. What's my frame rate? 63. That doesn't look very good. It's terrible even. It's terrible frame rates. I feel like oh yeah, okay. Well, I don't know why the frame rate is so bad. I might have to optimize that thing a bit. And if I select it, ooh, what's going on here? Right now I don't have the color stuff working at all on these new ones. Looks cool though. I have to fix though that's a problem. That frame rate is at 85. When I'm here, it's at 60, 60, 60, 80, ooh, 200. When I get in here, it slows right down. Funny, because I thought it was... Didn't they say it was a GPU something? This here? I don't know. Too many, I guess. But I don't need that many. I just need enough to see sort of where you can go in that kind of thing, you know? Anyways, that'll be cool. I'm going to stop recording now.